poverty, money problems and the rest. No more guesses and no more lies, only flowers, only smiles. Forget appearances, just ask and you shall get. Everyone I'm sure will smile at you because this is Italy. Come to your pleasures, come to my